Smoothies are a great way to help you lose weight. They are tasty, healthy, and easy to make. With the right ingredients, you can make a delicious smoothie that will help you reach your weight loss goals. One of the best things about smoothies is that they are very filling. They are filled with fiber and protein, which can help you feel fuller longer. This can help reduce your overall calorie intake throughout the day, which can help you reach your weight loss goals. Smoothies are also very versatile. You can customize the ingredients to fit your calorie and nutrient needs. Adding ingredients like yogurt, fruit, nut butters, and vegetables can help increase the nutrient content of your smoothie. This can help you make sure you are getting the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. When it comes to making smoothies for weight loss, it is important to focus on low-calorie ingredients. Adding high-calorie ingredients like ice cream, honey, or chocolate syrup can cause your smoothie to be high in calories and sugar. Instead, focus on low-calorie ingredients like almond milk, fresh or frozen fruit, and nut butters. It is also important to be mindful of portion size. Smoothies are a great way to get in extra servings of fruits and vegetables, but if you add too much, it can quickly add up in calories. Start with a smaller portion and add more ingredients if needed. Adding smoothies to your diet can help you reach your weight loss goals. They are tasty, healthy, and easy to make. Just remember to focus on low-calorie ingredients and watch your portion size. With the right ingredients, you can make a delicious smoothie that will help you reach your weight loss goals. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.